ultimate purpose of invention is the complete mastery of mind over the material world.
To approach this goal, we have to reimagine the whole production system. Digital blueprints freely available for anyone with internet connection. No need for registration or data collection about user activity. Interactive presentation of all 3D models with the possibility of pre-programmed customization will enable people to adjust 3D objects to their needs. Once the user decides to print a particular 3D model, a map of 3D printing stores in his proximity will appear. Based on the volume and material of the digital model, 3D printing stores can offer a deal for producing and delivering the 3D printed object. At that point, we can add a small voluntary reward, easy to tick off, a fee for providing the complete service. Once a payment has been made, while files are transferring to a 3D printing store, we have a chance to show an advertisement, a commercial message relevant to the 3D printing industry. Anyone can link a commercial content to Bitcoin payment and bid for a percentage of the shown advertisements. Apart from donations, these two revenue streams can be automatically distributed among participants of the Open3D Club. A number of achieved prints of 3D models will determine an income-splitting ratio between 3D artists. All other groups working on the website would have to make their own rules and metrics about valuing contribution among each others. 3D Prize is going to be a place to announce monetary awards for important technical solutions needed for Open3D Club development. In the beginning, the page is going to be mostly about software improvement. It should shift more towards mechanical engineering and hardware. Ease of use on the 3D artist side is really important to us. Drag and drop method of uploading 3D models seems to be simple enough. All 3D models carry a lot of data just within their geometry. If they are properly named on top of it, that should provide enough information to enable end users to easily search through the platform. Level of presented information should increase only when the users show additional interest. The whole structure and all functionalities on the platform can derive from those inputs. This way, 3D artists can get rewarded for their good designs really simply. This alternative production system can function on its own alongside the existing one. It doesn't require any big infrastructure investments, and it's not dependent on future growth. Many marginal costs such as labor, packaging, transportation, storage spaces and retailer networks are drastically lower. We also believe that decentralized architecture of such a system will encourage recycling and diversity of products. It will also shorten development cycles and achieve faster delivery times.